Every Mercedes-Benz eIntouro begins with premium automotive-grade steel. Each material is digitally inspected before entering production. Fiber lasers shape every structural component with millimeter precision. The cut panels immediately continue to robotic forming. Hydraulic presses create the strong backbone of the electric coach. Every bend is verified by laser measurement. Robotic welding guarantees exceptional strength and consistency. Thousands of precision welds form the main structure. Advanced E-coating protects the frame against decades of corrosion. Every hidden cavity receives complete coverage. The lightweight body structure improves efficiency and range. Every section is aligned with extreme precision. Large aluminum panels create a smooth, aerodynamic design. Robots ensure perfect alignment across the entire body. Every surface is carefully prepared for a flawless finish. Even microscopic imperfections are removed. Electrostatic robots apply an even, premium quality finish. The painted body now moves toward final curing and assemb. The premium paint is fully cured for maximum durability. Now the electric heart of the bus is ready to be installed. Every battery module is electronically tested before installation. Precision assembly ensures maximum safety and efficiency. Every bolt is tightened to an exact engineering specification. The sealed battery pack is now ready for installation. The battery pack is installed with millimeter-level precision. This forms the primary energy source of the electric coach. High-voltage connections are installed under strict safety procedures. Every connector is electronically verified. High-voltage connections are installed under strict safety procedures. Every connector is electronically verified. The powerful electric drive unit replaces the traditional diesel engine. It delivers smooth and efficient propulsion. Advanced cooling keeps the battery operating at peak efficiency. Temperature control is critical for long battery life. Power electronics control every movement of the electric drivetrain. They transform battery energy into smooth acceleration. The advanced air suspension ensures exceptional passenger comfort. It also improves vehicle stability and handling. The lightweight composite floor provides strength and passenger safety. It also serves as the foundation for the interior. Thousands of electrical connections power every onboard system. Each cable is carefully routed and electronically verified. The climate system delivers even airflow throughout the passenger cabin. Precision duct installation improves efficiency and comfort. The insulated ceiling improves both comfort and energy efficiency. It also houses the vehicle's integrated lighting system. High-strength bonded glass improves structural rigidity. Every window is sealed against wind and water. The panoramic windshield enhances both safety and driver visibility. Laser-guided positioning guarantees a perfect fit. The fully automated doors are designed for safe and reliable operation. Electronic sensors ensure precise movement every time. The digital cockpit gives the driver complete control of the electric coach. Every display and control is electronically tested. Every driving position is precisely adjusted for maximum comfort. Digital calibration ensures perfect ergonomics. The spacious passenger cabin now begins to take its final shape. Next, the comfort features and interior finishing will be completed. Lightweight luggage racks maximize storage without adding excess weight. Integrated lighting improves passenger comfort. Each passenger receives personal lighting and charging access. Every electrical function is tested immediately after installation. The interior panels combine durability with a premium appearance. They also protect the hidden electrical systems.
Strong stainless steel handrails provide safe passenger movement. Each mounting point is tested for maximum strength. Accessibility features ensure easy boarding for every passenger. The powered ramp is tested through multiple deployment cycles.
Advanced LED lighting improves visibility and energy efficiency. Every lighting function is digitally verified.
Multiple cameras and sensors enhance safety on every journey.
Precision calibration ensures accurate driver assistance.
Millions of lines of software coordinate every electronic system. The bus is now coming to life digitally. World's first sneak peek, the new Mercedes-Benz eIntouro.
The electric drivetrain comes to life. This is its first powered test. Every performance value is monitored in real time. Regenerative braking converts motion back into electrical energy. The system is tuned for maximum efficiency. Thermal management protects the battery during demanding operation. Stable temperatures ensure long service life. Precision brake testing guarantees safe and consistent stopping. Every wheel is individually calibrated.
Laser alignment ensures stable handling and tire longevity. Every measurement meets factory specifications. Every seal is tested under extreme simulated weather. The passenger cabin must remain completely watertight.
Engineers fine-tune the cabin for a quiet passenger experience. Even minor vibrations are carefully measured. The first road evaluation confirms real-world performance. Every maneuver is recorded by onboard telemetry. Electronic safety systems respond instantly during demanding maneuvers. The eIntouro proves its stability and control. After passing every inspection, the eIntouro earns its final approval. The world's newest electric coach is now ready for delivery. Connection established. Power flow is stable. State of charge rising rapidly. Looking good. Every battery module is checked for balanced performance. The final battery report confirms factory specifications. Final software prepares the vehicle for customer delivery. Every digital feature is updated before shipment. Protective coverings preserve the flawless factory finish. The vehicle is now prepared for transport. The completed eIntouro receives a showroom-quality finish. Every detail is carefully cleaned and inspected. Every vehicle leaves the factory with complete documentation. Final records ensure full traceability and quality assurance. The finished coach is now ready for delivery. It joins a fleet prepared for customers around the world. Specialized transport equipment protects the vehicle during shipping. Every securing point is carefully inspected. From raw materials to a fully electric coach, the journey is complete. The Mercedes-Benz eIntouro is now ready to serve passengers around the world. The completed eIntouro reaches the International Distribution Center. Every vehicle is inspected once more before delivery. The battery is fully prepared for its first customer journey. Final charging ensures immediate readiness. Every onboard feature is tested one final time. The bus is now completely customer ready.
Every accessory is included before handover. The delivery package is now complete.
The completed eIntouro is ready for its official presentation. Every detail reflects Mercedes-Benz craftsmanship.
Operators receive complete training before taking delivery. Every system is explained in detail.
The final inspection confirms every expectation. The vehicle is officially handed over. The journey from raw materials to a premium electric coach is complete. The Mercedes-Benz eIntouro is now ready for the road. The eIntouro delivers smooth, quiet performance on every journey. Its electric powertrain combines efficiency with premium comfort. Advanced battery technology powers the next generation of electric mobility. Intelligent energy management maximizes efficiency and driving range. The future of public transportation is already here. The Mercedes-Benz eIntouro represents the next generation of electric mobility. From raw materials to a world-class electric coach, every step reflects precision engineering.